Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Australia's RBA meeting minutes will be released at 1:30 GMT. Spain's unemployment change at 7 GMT. The Eurozone's unemployment rate at 9 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock will be released at 20:30 GMT. The US Redbook index at 12:55 GMT. Australia's current account balance at 1:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The S&P 500 index closed higher as investors were still optimistic over trade talks between the United States and its trading partners, despite President Donald Trump's latest salvo to double tariffs on imported steel and aluminium. Tether announced a partnership with the Ton Foundation to debut an omnichain version of its gold stablecoin XAUT on the open network. In an effort to expand the token across ecosystems, XAUT, the token's non-omnichain version, is the largest gold stablecoin by market capitalization, with over $832 million. US manufacturing contracted for a third straight month in May, and suppliers took the longest time in nearly 3 years to deliver inputs amid tariffs, potentially signaling looming shortages of some goods.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold-dollar pair exploded 2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro rose 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.7% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.